Happy Sunday! So, I'm excited because I had some new Mary Kay products come in. I had the Skin Vigorating Sonic, okay? And I couldn't help but to unpackage this item. And I always use this product anyway, but I'm going to show you guys how I use this product today. And my other supplements that came in. We won't get to use these today, but I'll try these a different day. I'll show you guys how I want to use these a different day. I ordered a resurfacer, a facial radiant peel, and a ceramide hydrator. I probably could use this hydrator today. It has a hyaluronic acid in it, and it helps the skin retain the moisture. So we might use this one today, okay? Along with this, which is our timewise repair set, which I think runs about $210. And this what is it called, skinvigorate Sonic. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I hope it works because I just took it out of the box, and it does. It's gonna get our face really clean, and it comes it comes with a USB charge, so that's nice. So it has a lot more power than the one we used to have, and this only runs like 60 bucks. Okay, so we're gonna start with our volume firm cleansing. Okay. I always put a little bit in my hand and then put a little water with it. So I can rub all over my face. This is by far one of the best cleansers we have. And the great thing is, you always want to do upward circular motion, really, because we always want to lift and, okay? Lift and tighten. So we're going to put this brush into play. I'll put a little water on it. And you probably also could put the cleanser on your brush. Yeah, you don't really need a lot, but I'm gonna be extra sudsy here, okay? And put a little bit on, kind of like you do your toothpaste. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah. And like I say, by far, this is one of the best cleansers we have. I love it because it foams up. You want to make sure you get your neck real good, and behind your ears, and your ears. Okay. and, you know, get this area so you can stay young forever. Okay? And men or women really can use any of these products, even though we do have a separate line for men for our skin products, but this is still great. I'm gonna pop up and get me on my face cloth. Okay, so we're gonna cleanse this off. It took me a while before I got a cleansing brush, but I think everybody needs to get some type of a cleansing brush. It's kind of like using an electric toothbrush. It just helps us get those areas a little bit better that we can't get ourselves. Okay, so anytime you add supplements, you want to make sure you always put them in between your cleanser and your moisturizer, okay? And today I have a lot of supplements because remember we're using this set here. So the next item in the set, which I have a separate one here in my is going to be a volume lifting the volume firm advanced lifting serum. Okay, so I usually do a couple squirts of that, and I'm gonna put it all over my face and here. Did I wash that off? Didn't I? Put it up here. We're gonna blend that in real good. Okay. And this new product, which is supposed to be hydrating. I'm pretty excited about this. Comes with this. The HA plus ceramide hydration. So this is about. I'm gonna put this. I mean, you could drop it all over your face. Then that way you won't lose any product. Okay, so we're gonna massage this in, and I don't think you need this much product. You probably only need a couple drops of this, but I'm a product hog. I want all of it, and this feels really good, and it doesn't have too much of a smell to it. Okay, it's really light. The next thing in our volume firming set, we're gonna and one thing, like once you put product, you want to wait just a second to make sure that product absorbs into your skin, okay? And the last thing that we're gonna try in this set, I set it over here, is gonna be our going to be our moisturizer. So let's go ahead and apply our Volume Firm and Renewal Cream for your eyes. And what I like to do is I'll squirt just a little bit under your eyes and turn it around to the back and use it to blend it in. Okay. I think I squirted out too much of that. Good. The last thing we're gonna do for our fabulous face and just for our skincare is gonna be our Volume Firm Day Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. So it's a Time Rise Repair Moisturizer. Okay. And let's just say you're in a rush, you don't want to do all these steps, okay? Put your cleanser in the shower, you know, and keep your moisturizer on the sink or whatever, you know, when you get ready to go. And just, you only really need one squirt of this. You get all this in like one squirt, okay? And that's that. And believe it or not, people with oily or dry or combination to dry skin could use both these products, except I don't know how I would feel for this one for hydration if you have dry skin. So that's something to dive deeper into. I mean, not dry skin. If you have oily skin, I don't know if you probably need the extra hydration. But that's not part of the Timewise Repair set anyway. That's just the extra supplement that I got for my skin because I have dry skin. Okay. And that's that. And when I'm in a rush and I can't do all this, because you want to do this in morning and night, but except at nighttime, you want to use the night treatment instead of this one. Instead of daytime treatment, you want to use the night treatment, okay? And when I'm in a rush and I don't want to put all these steps on, I just make sure you cleanse your face and make sure you moisturize, okay? And thank you for watching and trying all my products today. Thanks. And of course, you can shop online and the products be sent directly to you on marykay.com/tasha.dorch. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.